In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay CC on QuickBooks online. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to record a credit card payment so your bank and credit card balances stay accurate. First, sign into your QuickBooks company and open the Write Checks feature from the banking area. This brings up the familiar check form you'll use even if you paid electronically in real life. Think of this form as your way to tell QuickBooks, money left my bank and went to my credit card. Next, choose the bank account you're paying from. Take a second to confirm the payment date matches the date your bank actually sent the funds, and update the check number field if needed. If you paid online or by ACH, you can replace the check number with something like EFT so it's clear this wasn't a paper check. In the Pay to the Order of field, select your credit card company, such as your Visa or MasterCard provider. If you don't see it, add it as a new vendor. Keeping the credit card company as a vendor helps you track payments consistently and makes reconciliation smoother. Now, the most important part, categorizing the payment. In the Expenses tab on the check, choose your credit card account, not an expense category. This tells QuickBooks the money is reducing a liability you already recorded when the credit card charges were entered. If you accidentally choose an expense category here, you'll double count your costs and your books won't tie out. So be sure you're pointing this to the correct credit card account. Enter the payment amount exactly as it cleared at the bank. If you're making a partial payment, that's perfectly fine. Just enter the partial amount. You can also add a memo with the statement period or last four digits of the card for clarity. When everything looks right, bank account, payee, date, credit card account, on the Expenses tab, and the amount, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the outgoing money from your bank and reduce the balance on your credit card account. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you download bank transactions, you'll later match the real bank payment to this recorded check to avoid duplicates. Consistency in naming your vendor makes matching easier. Always verify the payment date so it lines up with your statement cycle. And finally, when you reconcile your credit card and bank accounts each month, this payment should appear on both sides, helping your balances tie out cleanly. That's it. Your credit card payment is properly recorded and your balances reflect reality.